How to convert Word to PDF in Android device. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will learn how we can convert Word to PDF in Android device. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you need to download Microsoft 365 in your device. So for that, open up Google Play Store in your device. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right, and in the search bar, type in Microsoft 365. After that, you have to install the application. After you have installed it, now you have to open up the application and make sure that you are logged in with your account. So if you're logged in, head towards the apps at the bottom right corner and tap on it. And there you will have an option as PDF tools. You have to tap on it. Now under PDF tools, there you have an option as document to PDF. Tap on it. Now from your device, you have to select your Word file that you want to convert. Tap on it or select the file and wait until your file gets converted to PDF. There you go, your file is now converted into PDF. Now if you want to save it, tap on it and then tap on more, and here tap on save as. From here, you can select your location where you want to save your PDF file on. You can rename your file also. Once done, simply tap on save and your document or your PDF file will be saved in your selected location. And that's how you can convert Word to PDF in mobile. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.